Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some seriously cool tech that's going to make your life easier, brighter, and way more fun. We've got a lineup of innovative gadgets that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, so let's jump right in. First up, imagine a world where 3D scanning is as easy as, well, pointing and scanning. Say goodbye to those annoying markers you have to stick all over your objects, because we're talking about Revopoint Trackit. This isn't just any 3D scanner. It's an advanced optical tracking and blue laser system that lets you capture everything from tiny coins to entire cars without a single marker. Seriously, no more peeling off sticky bits. Trackit uses a clever dual-camera base station that tracks the scanner's movement in real time, giving you incredibly accurate 3D models with minimal error. And get this, it can capture up to 1.5 million measurements per second. For huge objects, you can even leapfrog the base station around. And its anchor block system ensures perfect stitching every time. Plus, it has an auto-calibrating dual-axis gimbal, so you skip all those complex, lengthy calibration processes. It's built tough with a carbon fiber frame for consistent data, even in demanding environments. And you can switch between optical tracking and standalone handheld modes, even getting into those tricky, obscured areas. You can even create photorealistic 3D models and export texture reports, perfect for quality control or reverse engineering. It even has temperature sensors to maintain accuracy. This thing is a game changer for anyone doing industrial scanning. Next, let's talk about something we all need in our lives: a really good flashlight. But what if your flashlight could do more than just, well, shine? Enter the Wuben X4. This isn't your average 18,650 flashlight. It's a powerhouse packed into a super portable design. We're talking 1,500 lumens, triple light output, and a 3,400 mAh replaceable 18,650 battery. The X4 gives you both flood and spot beams simultaneously, so you can light up your surroundings while still having a focused beam for distance. It also has a versatile side light with stepless brightness adjustment, from a super soft 1-lumen moonlight mode all the way up to 100 lumens. But here's where it gets really fun. It has a 7-color RGB light, perfect for ambient lighting, night visibility, or even a flashing signal mode for emergencies. Control is intuitive with a unique push plate and rotary button combo, and it has an innovative ergonomic tactical tail switch. Plus, it's incredibly portable, smaller than most 18,650 flashlights, and designed to stand upright, attach magnetically, or clip to your gear. It even charges easily via USB-C, with an integrated RGB LED for real-time battery status. And if you're a cyclist, there's an optional bike mount, and even a detachable red diffuser to preserve your night vision for camping or stargazing. The Wuben X4 redefines what a portable light can be. Now imagine bringing the warmth and mood-boosting power of natural daylight into your home, even on the gloomiest of days. That's exactly what Brighter does. This isn't just a floor lamp, it's the world's brightest, blasting out an incredible 50,000 lumens, that's 50 times brighter than a standard light bulb. Brighter uses hundreds of zero-flicker, photography-grade LEDs that closely match the sun's spectrum, so you experience true colors without eye strain or glare. With its torture design and museum glass diffuser, the light spreads beautifully throughout your room, creating an ambient sense of daylight. And for winding down, you can adjust the color temperature from a bright 6500K all the way down to a cozy 1800K for a sunset vibe. There's real science behind this too. Exposure to bright light can improve mood, focus, sleep, and even decision-making. Brighter helps you tap into those benefits. Plus, it's compatible with Matter over Wi-Fi controllers like Alexa Echo Dot, Google Nest Mini, and Apple HomePod Mini, letting you set brightness, color temperature, and even schedules. Say goodbye to dark winters, and hello to sunshine on demand with Brighter. Next up, for all you evolved makers out there, those who demand tools that truly elevate their creative projects, get ready for NeoBlade. This is a true wireless ultrasonic cutter that redefines precision cutting. With 40 kHz ultrasonic vibration, the blade vibrates at ultra-high frequencies, letting you slice through materials like a hot knife through butter. And it's smart too, automatically adjusting its power output to different materials for precise cuts with minimal effort. No more nerve-wracking moments with intricate 3D prints or delicate DIY projects. NeoBlade features replaceable batteries, so you can quickly swap them out and keep working without downtime. And its turbo dock isn't just a charging station, it charges both your NeoBlade and a spare battery in just 30 minutes. For safety, there's a child lock, and unlike other ultrasonic cutters, it has a built-in turbofan to keep it cool and ensure every cut is spot on and clean. This is the ultimate tool for anyone who needs smooth, precise cuts on their projects. And finally, prepare to unleash your inner explorer with Microcam X1. This tiny, rugged 160-gram gadget packs a punch, combining a 400x microscope lens, a 3 cm macro view, and a 4K 12MP camera, all in one seamless device. With a simple twist, you can zoom from wide landscapes to microscopic details as small as 0.01 millimeters. Imagine uncovering the fine hairs on a butterfly's wing, then twisting to capture a sweeping mountain vista, all with one device. The 400x microscope reveals hidden universes, from insect eyes to the intricate ridges of a coin, all in 4K Ultra HD. The 3 cm macro mode lets you get astonishing close-ups of natural wonders without needing extra lenses. And the standard 4K camera captures crisp, vibrant everyday moments. You can even do time-lapse and slow-motion videos, securing the Microcam X1 almost anywhere with its flexible wraparound mount for hands-free creativity. It's designed to be durable and shock-proof, with expandable storage up to 512 GB. And it's so simple to use, even kids can operate it, with an instant 180-degree twist-to-switch lens and a bright 3.5-inch IPS display for instant visual feedback. You can even connect it to a larger display via USB for real-time viewing. The Microcam X1 is truly one twist to unlimited discovery. And that's our roundup of incredible tech today. If you found any of these gadgets as exciting as I did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends who love innovative tech, and of course, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next deep dive into the world of amazing new products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.